controversy around hijab is yet to die down. The Supreme Court is hearing arguments on a batch of pleas challenging the Karnataka High Court verdict, refusing to lift the ban on hijab in educational institutions of the state. Arguments were also made in the Supreme Court on Tilak, Rudraksha cross, but the Supreme Court said it's not the same as wearing hijab. Let me bring in Neelashish, who's joining us for more on this. Neelashish, quickly, Harish, our legal editor, is with us. Harish, quickly sum up the arguments that were done yesterday and tell us what's expected today.
Yes, so the Supreme Court bench will resume hearing today. Yesterday, as you rightly said, the Supreme Court made a very serious, very important observation that the entire problem is that a particular community is insisting that they want to wear a particular religious dress, that is the hijab, while all other communities are ready to adhere to the dress code. And prima facie, Supreme Court, in fact, upheld the part of Karnataka High Court. In fact, prima facie was agreeing to the part in the Karnataka High Court which said that to enforce a sense of decorum, unity, discipline and equality within a educational institution, any education institution has the right to enforce a dress code, a uniform, and when the collective rights of an institution is pitted against individual right to freedom of expression, this is a reasonable restriction. No fundamental right is absolute. There can be reasonable restrictions. These were the prima facie observation of the Supreme Court bench led by Hemant Gupta, which is in fact in hearing 23 petitions which had challenged the Karnataka High Court judgment, which had upheld the ban in education institutions on wearing hijab. And there were other interesting observations also when Devadatt Kamat, senior advocate who had appeared for one of the petitioner, said that there is a fundamental right, freedom of expression included even freedom of to dress, wear any dress, and also headscarf is part of a uniform, and headscarf means hijab. This bench shot back saying that it means right to dress. If you say it's a fundamental right, you can also say the right to undress is also a fundamental right. You are taking matters to illogical conclusions. So the very interesting arguments going on in Supreme Court, and the matter will resume today at 11:30 a.m.
Harish, thanks for that quick input. We'll keep coming back to you when the hearing resumes on this for all the updates on Times Now.